Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo phone supports native USB-C audio. This matters because some models need a digital to analog adapter. Once done, inspect the Type-C plug and port for lint or damage and wipe gently. Debris blocks detection. Plug the headphones straight in, avoid angled force, and listen for the connection chime. Make sure to use an official or certified adapter if your headset is analog, because the phone needs an active DAC to produce sound. Once the hardware is connected, you should verify the phone recognizes the accessory. Go to Settings, then Sound and Vibration, and check Output Device so you confirm USB-C headphones are selected. Play music and use the volume keys to ensure levels change. Adjust the equalizer to match preference because DAC profiles differ. Make a test call and record a 10-second voice memo to verify the microphone routing. If audio is distorted, reduce volume and retry. To finish, make routine checks that prevent intermittent problems. Update your phone OS and headset firmware if available, because compatibility patches often fix detection issues. Once updated, restart the phone and retest in multiple apps. Consistent failure suggests hardware. If you still get no sound or static, try a different USB-C headset or certified adapter to pinpoint the faulty part. One key troubleshooting tip. If the phone doesn't detect any accessory, gently clean the port with compressed air and try again before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.